First of all, you need to measure how long pants you want. I want to the ground, so for me I need 112 centimeters. Measure it from the first notch, because 4 centimeters we will fold inside with the rubber. Now take a ruler and measure how much length you need to add. I measure the bottom of the leg and I choose to do it 55 centimeters wide. Divide the result by 2 to get a new bottom length of the pattern. Draw the extra long which you got earlier. Connect it perpendicularly. And now mark from that lines your extra wide to inner line and more to side line less. Draw straight lines and nicely join the pants. Cut out this pattern piece, use it to cut another front piece and do all the same for the back pieces. Don't forget to mark all notches and sew it same like joggers until the bottom. Now you have to finish the bottom, fold it 2 centimeters and sew around with a double needle. Iron it and go to enjoy.